Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to MetaMask. First, make sure your Ledger device's firmware is fully updated for optimal security. Next, install the Ethereum application on your Ledger device through Ledger Live. Then, open your MetaMask extension and select the Connect Hardware Wallet option. Finally, choose Ledger from the list to begin the connection process. Once you've selected Ledger in MetaMask, unlock your physical Ledger device and open the Ethereum application on it. MetaMask will then present a list of available Ethereum accounts from your Ledger. Carefully review and select the specific accounts you want to import and manage within MetaMask. After making your choices, confirm your selection to complete the pairing and import process. When you're ready to send funds, initiate the transaction as usual within your MetaMask wallet. Before it's broadcast, you'll need to review all the transaction details directly on your Ledger device's screen. This critical step ensures you verify the recipient address and amount. Finally, confirm the transaction on your Ledger to authorize it, leveraging its robust security features. To disconnect, simply close your browser or physically unplug your Ledger device. For best practices, always double-check all transaction details on your Ledger's screen before confirming. Regularly update your Ledger's firmware and applications for the latest security enhancements. Most importantly, never, ever share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.